Good afternoon, everybody. Today is a bonus video for you. A bonus clip, if you will. And not only will you have your daily vlog, your no days off, your thoughts from the throne, and the special of the day, which is Cray Cray Commentary today, to where I talk about one of my old videos. But we have our unboxing. And today's unboxing consists of unboxing this Loot Crate. Now, in this Loot Crate is something Power Rangers. And if you know me, my four loves are Ghostbusters, Ninja Turtles, Pro Wrestling, and Power Rangers. And right now, I have nothing Power Rangers up on the wall behind me. I have some of the zombies, which I hate zombies, so I need to kill them. I have the Ghostbusters ghost. I have my Ninja Turtles poster. I have nothing Power Rangers. And there's a big spot here that could be Power Rangers. So, let's see what they gave me to hang up on my wall. The unboxing's on the bottom. And I'm going to do it with my special box cutting knife. Oh! Now let's see. Maintenance panel. I'm loving this already. Maintenance panel. Here we go. Actually, looks like Loot Crate surprised me. I got a Batman food container. Along with that, I got a Megazord Blueprint t-shirt. That is freaking awesome. I think I know what I'm wearing tomorrow. Also, got Lego Dimensions Cyborg, DC Comics, like it. I got a Tetris flexible magnet for my fridge, like it. I got a Secret of Order Keys. This is pretty cool, like it. Here we go. This is probably what's going to go up on the wall. The Power Rangers pin. It's probably going to go up on the wall. And we love you from Loot Crate. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate this. And I got their card from Loot Crate. That's also going up there. But yeah, it looks like the Power Rangers Loot Crate pin will go on the shirt. And the design behind it will go up on the wall. That's my unboxing for today. I'll see you later for other videos.